Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious McDonald's steak, egg, and cheese bagel at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need thinly sliced steak, fresh eggs, American cheese, and plain bagels. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures you get that classic taste right in your own kitchen. Next, let's prepare the steak. Season your thinly sliced steak generously with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and cook the steak for just 1 to 2 minutes per side until it's nicely browned. Once cooked, chop the steak into small, manageable pieces. This ensures every bite of your bagel is packed with flavor and texture.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing any leftover steak or eggs, keeping them fresh for later. Check the description for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the eggs and bagel. Scramble 2 eggs per bagel, cooking them until they are light and fluffy, just like McDonald's. While the eggs cook, toast your plain bagel halves to a perfect golden brown. Immediately after toasting, place a slice of American cheese on one half of the hot bagel so it begins to melt beautifully. This creates a warm, cheesy base for your sandwich. It's time to assemble your delicious steak, egg, and cheese bagel. First, layer the chopped, seasoned steak evenly over the melted American cheese on your toasted bagel half. Next, carefully place the fluffy scrambled eggs on top of the steak. Finally, complete your masterpiece by gently placing the other toasted bagel half on top. Enjoy your homemade McDonald's favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.